Are you financially prepared for the unexpected? If not, it's time to start saving for a rainy day. You may be thinking, but right now, everything is wonderful for me. Saving money is not a concern. Life is, in fact, full of unexpected twists and turns. You never know when you'll need a major car repair, lose your job, or have a medical emergency. Additionally, if you don't have any savings set aside, these unforeseen costs could cause you stress and anxiety as well as endanger your financial stability. On the other hand, having a small amount of money saved up can provide you the financial freedom and peace of mind you need to deal with these circumstances. It can also assist you in achieving your long-term financial objectives, like owning a home or an early retirement. Avoid waiting until it is too late. Start saving money today. Here are a few suggestions for saving money now and in the future. 1. Make a budget. This will help you see exactly how much money you have coming in and going out each month, and where you can cut back on expenses. 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account so you don't have to think about it. You can also set up automatic contributions to a retirement account, like a 401k or IRA. 3. Save your raises and bonuses. When you get a raise or bonus at work, don't let it go to your head. Instead, put it into savings or use it to pay off debts. 4. Shop around. Don't just accept the first price you see. Take the time to shop around and compare prices to make sure you're getting the best deal. 5. Negotiate. Don't be afraid to negotiate on bills and expenses. You might be surprised at how much you can save by simply asking for a lower rate or fee. 6. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Take a close look at your budget and see where you can cut back. Maybe you can cancel a streaming service you don't use much or switch to a cheaper cell phone plan. 7. Find ways to save on everyday expenses. Look for coupons and deals, buy in bulk, and shop at discount stores. All of these small savings can add up over time. 8. Save your change. Every time you get change, put it in a jar or a piggy bank. It might not seem like much, but it can add up quickly. 9. Invest in your education. Investing in your education can pay off in the long run by helping you qualify for higher-paying jobs. 10. Start a side hustle. Consider starting a side hustle or freelance business to bring in extra income that you can put into savings. Here are some side hustles ideas you can start today to generate immediate income. Rent out a spare room on Airbnb. If you have an extra room in your house or apartment, you can list it on Airbnb and earn money by renting it out to travelers. Sell items on eBay. Do you have items around the house that you no longer need or use? Consider selling them on eBay. You might be surprised at how much you can earn. Offer your services on TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people who need odd jobs done with people who are willing to do them. You can sign up as a tasker and offer your services, such as cleaning, moving, or handyman work. Become a pet sitter or dog walker. If you love animals, consider offering pet sitting or dog walking services. You can advertise your services on social media or through pet sitting platforms like Rover. Teach a skill. Do you have a skill or hobby that you could teach to others? Consider offering classes or private lessons. You could teach things like cooking, art, music, or a foreign language. Sell handmade items. If you're crafty, consider selling handmade items on platforms like Etsy or at local markets and fairs. Do freelance work. If you have a specific skill or expertise, such as writing, editing, or graphic design, you can offer your services on freelance job boards like Upwork or Freelancer. Do yard work for neighbors. If you enjoy being outdoors and doing manual labor, consider offering your services to neighbors for tasks like mowing lawns, raking leaves, or shoveling snow. Sell items on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is a platform for buying and selling items locally. You can list items you no longer need or use and sell them to people in your area. Rent out your car on Turo. If you have a car that you're not using all the time, you can list it on Turo and earn money by renting it out to others. Do grocery delivery for Instacart. Instacart is a platform that connects shoppers with people who need groceries delivered. You can sign up as a shopper and earn money by picking up and delivering groceries to people in your area. Deliver food for DoorDash. DoorDash is a food delivery service that connects restaurants with drivers. You can sign up as a driver and earn money by delivering food to people in your area. Write and sell an ebook. If you have knowledge or expertise on a particular topic, you can write and sell an ebook on platforms like Amazon or Apple Books. Create and sell an online course. If you have a skill or knowledge that others would be interested in learning, you can create and sell an online course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Sell your photos. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos on stock photo sites like Shutterstock or iStock. Sell your art. If you're an artist, you can sell your art on platforms like Etsy or Society6. You can also consider selling your art at local galleries or art fairs. Preserving money is crucial for meeting long-term financial objectives and coping with unforeseen expenses. There are numerous ways to save money, such as creating a budget, automating your savings, saving increases and bonuses, looking around for the best offers, haggling over bills and expenses, reducing pointless spending, and finding ways to save on daily expenses. Selling stuff you no longer need or use, creating a side business, and investing in your education are other ways to save money. Your financial stability and sense of calm can both be enhanced by developing a saving habit. Good luck and good savings. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.